Now let's talk about the Nazi cult of motherhood. As far as the mothers were concerned, Hitler even divided them. Those mothers who produced beautiful, handsome, good-looking children, they were considered superior. And those mothers who actually produced, as called by Hitler as undesirable, that is not good-looking children, were punished. Those who produced good-looking children were rewarded in various ways. They were given concession in hospitals, in the tickets, in the railway tickets, in the films, and also discounts at various places. So such was the segregation even amongst the mother. The need was just to produce good-looking Aryan race and more of them. You see, he started rewarding them by giving them crosses. Bronze cross was given to a mother who produced good-looking 4 children, and a silver cross was given to those who produced 6 good-looking children, and 8 and more children, if produced by a mother, was given a gold cross. So here we see that the mothers also were not spared, and all the females who kept any contact with the Jews, with the Polish, with the Gypsies, that is all those undesirable race, then their heads were shaven off, their husbands were tortured, and they had to move in public with a placard saying that I have sullied the honor of the nation. So such were the great effects of Hitler when it came to segregation. Even the women were segregated. Nobody was allowed to mix with each other. And the Jews, Gypsies, Polish, all these people were made to feel that they were undesirable and they were not at all liked by the Germans. Well, a special propaganda was also started by Hitler, wherein he used few words which were different in vocabulary and meant something else. He talked about the special treatment, that is gassing of the Jews. He talked about the final solution, that is of murdering them, evacuation, taking them, deporting them to the gas chambers. The films, radio, posters, slogans, leaflets, everything was used by Hitler to actually humiliate the Jews and the other undesirable community as said by him. So even the media was used for such a purpose. We see a very infamous film was made on the Jews called The Eternal Jew, and they were called as rodents, and they were treated as animals. They were just told that they had no place and they must actually kill themselves or get killed by the Germans. So they led a humiliating, torturous life and had a torturous end.